Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we explain FUNDRISE app review to see if it's worth using. FUNDRISE is a real estate investing app that allows everyday individual to invest in private real estate project with as little as $10. Though its user-friendly platform, FUNDRISE offers a diversified portfolios comprising residential and commercial properties, private credit, and venture capital investment. The app provides various investment strategies tailored to different goals, such as long-term growth or a supplementary income. Fundraise transparency regarding fee investment details are earned in high rates from financial platforms like NetWallet and Investopedia. Fundraise is a solid option for individuals looking to diversify their investment portfolios with real estate and alternative assets. Its low entry point and varieties of investment options make it accessible for beginners. However, potential investors should be aware of the platform's fee and the liquid natures of real estate investment, which may not suit those seeking a quick return. Overall, for those interested in long-term investment opportunity beyond traditional stock and bonds, Fundraise is worth considering. And that's it.